Hi guys, today I want to show you a space that I've been planning on recreating. I want to make it into my own little she shed or whatever. It's this place right outside that door. I know. I'll turn the camera around and we'll go. I'll say let's go. So yes guys, as you can see, this space outside my door above the staircase is filled with junk. It's the workbench and some weights and toolboxes and some of the kids' junk. So let's clear it out. This is something I wanted to do way in the summer when my kids were bugging me. Quarantine was getting to me and I really needed a space of my own. I'm only now getting to it because life could get hectic at times. I would usually use a Swiffer wet jet, but I discovered that it was broken that very day, and doing it this way took me way longer, but whatever. So these are clickable tiles that I ordered from Ikea, and I think it came in sets of 9. I think, I really don't remember, but I love these tiles because they're so easy to put together and you could move them and you can use them outdoors. I just love them and I love the lattice look that it gives. So it was a win-win for me. It was a winner. So these tiles, you can actually cut them to size. I realized there was a part there that I needed to cut, but you'll see what I did with it when I came back. I really didn't think it was necessary, so we'll see. So I also ordered these curtains from Ikea, and I really do love them. It cost me, I think, $9 a pair. They're very long and they're lace, and it looks really rich. I think it was a good deal. The original price was $20 to $24, I think, so I just love a bargain. Now here you can see I'm the type of girl that likes to put the horse before the cart in my decorating because I really want to see how things would come together. I want to start to get a sense of how everything is looking, so I just do things my way. Now I'm putting in a little mattress I had from my son's crib. Don't ask, I've been using it as a day bed, as a reading nook, and now it's just going into my space. Now take these, I got this as well from Ikea, the hanging basket and the greenery, and I just love it. I wanted even more hanging baskets and greenery. Some I ordered online but they were out of stock, and also I'm a shirt gal and I couldn't get to hang them where I really wanted to hang it, so I'm working with what I have. Throughout this video you will see the light playing games on me. The sun was going down and coming up, and since I'm working by a window it's gonna seem a little bit dark, so excuse that. So I wanted to use a clickable tiles here to create a lattice look, but it was giving me a hard time, so I had to call for reinforcement. And in the meantime, I decided to gift wrap my wall because I did not like that area, how it was looking. So this is gift wrap I'm using here. This is good quality gift wrap I got from Marshals, okay?
What happened?
Everything is all right. Instead of putting it everywhere, so just put it here.
Okay, sit down here. Hold this up. Got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start over here first.
Be careful.
I will.
I hooked this on here with zip ties, so that's why I needed my little helper, and it was a bit difficult because I didn't want to topple over the staircase. I got these flowers as well from Ikea on the day I visited the store, and the planter buckets I got from the Dollar Tree. Initially I wanted 3 of them to go across, but I was unable to find a third. These string lights I got from Marshals. Love Marshals. So as you come up the stair, this is what you will see. And this is my little place right here. I think this was the way I decided to leave it. The first day, I just knew I was going to have to come back and make some changes. So here is my space outside the door. That's where I am. And there and there, I could just close my door and shut them in. And then I'm locked into my little zone. Maybe I'll even put a curtain there if I don't want to see them. But here I could still kind of keep an eye on them while they're in there. And I have my little space. Excuse me as I pretend to read a book in my little zone, casually. Also, I pretend to be taking notes. I put my little books and stationery right there so I could do my journaling in this space, or put my thoughts on paper. So I'm pretending to write down something really important here. for the convenience of having my books. Maybe my phone with me to check my emails, or even take a selfie. The perfection of it all. Hello. Also, I'm not the only one enjoying this space. I came out here and find Tyler and Josiah in my zone, which I definitely will not be allowing. The next day I made a few changes. I added a scones I got from the Dollar Tree. I kind of made it by using a succulent and putting it in there. And I put little things around that I like. I filled in the space next to the lattice with more gift wrap. Little things that I like. I really love this lattice on the floor or the clickable tiles. Love, love, love it. Love my space. That's my books. My little giraffe that brings me joy. See, I filled in that space with gift wrap. A little bit of greenery. I wish I could put more, but... And hey, my lotion. You must have lotion for your hands. I'm pretty sure later I will make some changes again to this space. Fluffy pillows, maybe a fluffy blanket. My sweater pillow that I'm so proud of, I made this the day before. Sweater pom-pom pillow. I made the pom-poms as well. Love it. I will probably change the sheet on the mattress. But for now, this works. And I absolutely love how my little oasis turned out. That's the scones. I just stuck a succulent in a frame of some kind. This is what it looks like at night with no lights on. And here are a few clicks of me in my space. Let me know in the comments how you think my oasis turned out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!